Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris, Canopies 4x4 back here again. We've got a SsangYong Musso in today. KGM, I should say. Right? It's not a SsangYong anymore, bro. The guy's changed his name, put some respect on it. KGM Musso XLV, brand new model in, getting one of our steel canopies fitted on it today. We're going to go through the assembly, we're going to go through the fitment, and we're going to get right into it.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, Daniel from Canopies and 4x4 here. I hope you enjoyed this video fitting the steel canopy on the SsangYong Musso long tub. We have this canopy available for both the short, the long tub, and many other dual cab vehicles. Give us a call on 02 9627 8666 if you want to find out any more information. Let's have a quick look through the canopy, guys. Have a look inside with me. It's got the internal bracing built in on the roof. That gives 300 kilograms of static weight bearing and 200 kilograms of dynamic weight bearing. Got a small light on the interior, gives you a little bit of visibility. It'll be a compression push lock system. Pop those locks in and out. You can see our fellas have water tested it as usual. Make sure that everything is as watertight as we can possibly get it. If you ever want to inquire about one of these canopies, give us a call and we'll be happy to give you all of the information and help you get booked in for an installation. Have a great day, guys.